Welcome to our simple DIY project. Today we're going to build a platform bird feeder from just one board. Stick around until the end and get a freebie surprise. It's a fun and easy project that will bring joy to your backyard. Let's get started. First, let's go over the materials and cut list you'll need for this project. Here are the materials needed. 1 inch thick by 6 inches wide by 6 feet long wooden board, 1.5 inch screws, 1.5 inch nails, and some wood glue. Now for the cut list, you'll need to cut the board into several pieces. Cut 2 pieces at 18 inches each for the platform, 2 pieces at 12 inches each for the sides, and 2 pieces at 6 inches each for the ends. Alright, now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the assembly. Now, it's time for the assembly instructions. Follow these steps closely. First, take the base piece and attach the side panels using screws. Next, secure the back panel and then the front panel. Finally, add the roof and make sure everything is tightly secured. And there you have it, your very own platform bird feeder. Great job. Now let's talk about mounting options and those all-important finishing touches. First up, mounting options. You can choose from a variety of ways to display your new bird feeder. And finally, the finishing touches. These small details can really make your project stand out. Enjoy watching birds flock to your handmade feeder. If you want a free surprise woodworking plan, let me know in the comments and I'll send you one. If you found this guide helpful, please like and share to support more DIY projects. Want more bird-friendly projects? Let us know in the comments.